Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth. I have for you my June Empties video. So these are all the beauty type products that I've used up in the month of June. Let's just get started. So this first thing is a conditioner, but I actually used it as a shaving cream. It's the Garnier Fructis Damage Eraser Conditioner, and I've had this for a couple years, and I just pulled it out and finished it up by using it as a shaving cream. Secondly, I have a contact lens solution. This is a Walgreens brand. It's the hydrogen peroxide cleaning and disinfecting lens care system. I just get the store brand variety, and it works very well. This is a toner that I used up. It's from Ole Henriksen. It's their Balancing Force Balancing Force Oil Controlled Toner. I was looking for a toner that met the following requirements. I didn't want it to have added fragrance, I didn't want it to be alcohol-based, and I wanted it to have BHAs or salicylic acid in it. And so this met all those requirements. It doesn't say how much salicylic acid is in it, but I really liked this. I liked the smell that it had. It smelled very purifying, I guess. But yeah, this was nice. I might get it again. I'm trying something else at the moment. I used up a deodorant. This is the Secret Eucalyptus Blossom deodorant. This was fine. I got this at bargain, what's it called? Grocery outlet, bargain market, that place. I got this there, and I think regularly this is like at least $6, but I got it a lot cheaper there. I wish they had one around me where I live now. It was just kind of nice to try out different things that they had at a lower price. But yeah, finished up that. I have a couple serums here that I finished up. This one is the Truth Serum from Ole Henriksen. This felt nice on the skin. This has a very weird scent. So, it, like, on one hand, it smells like citrus, but on the other hand, like, if you smell it again and think about it, it smells like fried foods, like funnel cake, which really threw me off. I didn't like that at all. But then I would smell it again, and it would smell like citrus again. So it's like that dress that's either blue and black or white and cream. It's like half the people see half and half the people see the other. This, like, I smelled it one way and it smelled like one thing, and I smelled it again, it smelled like the other. It was very weird. But yeah, it felt nice on the skin. And then I finished up this other little serum from Estee Lauder. Oh, it's all rubbed off. It's the Advanced Night Repair Serum. This also felt very nice on the skin. Let's see, I have a couple sample-y things. Let's talk about these. Okay, this first is another serum. This is an eye serum from Prescription Youth Skinlabs, which I had never heard of, but I got it as a free sample when I bought something, and I forget what it was. This actually was a little bit sticky, and since you put it on your eyes, it like made your eyelids kind of stick when you opened and closed them. So that was a little weird. I didn't really like that. Oh, and then these two are from Perlier, which also I've never heard of. It's the Risarium. I don't know how to say these, you guys. Risarium Black Rice Hydrating Facial Serum. These actually felt very nice on the skin. I did like those. And then, okay, this was kind of interesting. This is the It Cosmetics CC Cream. This I did like. The shade, however, the camera doesn't really pick it up, but the shade was way too dark for me, but it was like still within the realm of maybe a normal shade for me if I had a very deep tan. So when I wore this, I saw myself in the mirror and I looked almost exotic. It was it was like different because I looked so tan with this on. But yeah, it was just interesting to see myself like that. I did really like this. If I'm ever in the market for a CC cream, I would definitely take a closer look at this. I went through a facial cleanser. I really liked this one. This is from Aveeno Clear Complexion Cream Cleanser with salicylic acid. And this has a salicylic acid content of 2%, which is the highest that's allowed, at least in the US. This was very gentle. It didn't foam up. I really liked this. I would definitely buy it again. I'm using something else at the moment, but I would definitely buy this again. Okay, I have a hair product. This I bought because Casey Holmes on YouTube recommended it. It's from IGK. It's called the Expensive Amla Oil High Shine Top Coat. So you use it just like a conditioner, but leave it on for a few minutes, and it's supposed to leave like a nice shine, like a top coat on your hair. And I did notice it, and it did look nice, but it didn't last that long, and I didn't get that many uses out of this. It looks kind of like a big tube, but it's only 4.2 ounces. So if this were to go on sale or something, then I might get it again. But for the moment, I don't think I would buy this again at full price. I went through a thing of cotton balls from Walmart. I went through a lotion. This is my purse lotion. I've used a whole bunch of these. This is the Gold Bond Ultimate Healing Lotion. I really like this. And two more things. This is a face moisturizer from Lancome. Come on, let's focus. Renergie. Something Lift Multi-Action with sunscreen. I was just saying, oh, is that side just the French side and there's an English side? No. Hey, Chico. I didn't really like this. The lotion itself was too thick. It wasn't really oily or greasy. It was just thick. But I really like the jar. Isn't it cute? It's purple, my favorite color. Yeah, the little jar makes me happy. And then I used up this fragrance. This is the Replica little fragrance sample. I should know this name. Oh yeah, Flower Market. There we go. By Maison Margiela or Margiela. What's with the French names today? So I loved this so much that I actually bought the full size. And the thing is, with the full size, it didn't come in like a, 0.2 ounce per spray or anything. I had to get the full size, and the full size is like 3 ounces, so it was expensive. So I actually bought it on eBay. It's a used fragrance, but it was like 99% full, and it looks like it had been a tester in a store. But yeah, I bought it on eBay for less than half, so I really like the fragrance. It's very florally, but not overpowering for me anyway. So anyway, those are my June empties. Thank you for watching.